everybody. Today we're gonna make a walk around video for two Jeep. We're gonna do a Jeep Wrangler Tj 2006, and after we're gonna do the Jeep Wrangler Yj with the mock axles. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe for more videos with Jeep Wrangler. Enjoy! Hi everybody, so we start the walk around with the Jeep Wrangler Tj 2006. So the upgrades we have done to these Jeeps, it's LED lights which actually is 30 degrees and 60 degrees. We put the LED bar base with the LED bar 300 watts. Stop. For lift kit, what we have done to this Jeep, we have the rough country 2.5 inch suspension. So we've got Procom wheels 10 by 15 and the Discovery Cooper STT tires, which is 33s by 1250 on 15. The other upgrade we have done to this Jeep, we have put the gear ratio and we have done it 488, and it helps a lot with the 33s. And I will give you one tip of upgrade. What have we done to this Jeep is actually, as we say, a miracle, because this Jeep, as known, the TJs are wobble a lot. So what we done, we put a sway bar from the YJ Grand Cherokee, and it's actually working perfect. So we put the rear lights, which is actually LED, plus we've got for the reverse kit another LED lights. The Jeep also, it's stock inside, standard gearbox, and what we have done, we keep the stock fenders. Is rubbing a little bit, but we try to keep the Jeep as stock as possible. we're gonna do the walk around from the Jeep Wrangler Yj with the Moog axles. With the look of the Jeep, we have done the angry look. All right. The Jeep also is been painted with Raptor liner, which is a very good job done. Now we're gonna start with the basic upgrades. Full hydro steering wheel. We put the axles from the Unimog 404 and the Jeep is sitting on spring lifts at the moment, and the wheelbase which we have is 114 inches. So the Moog axles, as known, they have actually a 7.56 of gear ratio, which actually helps a lot on wheeling. Inside, we've got these leather bucket seats, and it's mainly stock. The Jeep is sitting on 40s axis straps in 17-inch wheels, which we have made them. And the rear lights are from the JK. One other special upgrade which we done to the Jeep, it's the exhaust on the side. And actually, if you want, I will leave you to hear it.